There the Dilo. Gosh, we're so high already. If we fall, maybe. What we going to happen to us if we fall? Triple zero. That's correct, mate. We call the 000.
Hi, JP. JP, look at these trees. Ito kami doon sa my water. Escape to the country. Hahanap kami ng kangaroo, sabi ni JP. I wanna look for a kangaroo. Cute naman ng Christmas tree na yan. Paputol ko kaya din siya. Dali na sa bahay. What are you guys doing?
Take video.
Ah? Lagay yung binidyohan. Napakaganda. It's wattle season time. Spring. At yung dalawang napagod kalalakad. Peaceful. Magpitas kaya ako nito. Libre lang naman to eh.
Try this one. But don't mix it, huh? Don't mix it, okay? Try this one. Oh, JP, big bite. JP, big bite.
Cheers, Daddy. Cheers. JP, cheers with your ano. That one. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. JP, so you can run faster.
Hanapin lang daw namin ang kangaroo. Sabi ni Choi. Andun sila dali malayo. Ayan, may nakita na kami kangaroos. Diyan lang sila nagpapahinga.
Alright, mommy's feeding ano,
Tapos baby's scared.
baby goat.
Oh no, sorry God.
Ay, ano pala to eh, goat and sheep, mommy.
Yeah. Uy, ayaw niya na.
Mm-mm.
Ayaw niya na. Naman tayo sa kabila.
Okay, no running, JP, no running.
Oh, sorry darling.
JP, no running, Eh, magpalaro mo si JP. Okay. You see the cow, yes. They're resting. Meron pa ng truck roll rides there. Where are you, JB? Where are you? Okay.
Ito naman daw na isa, yung brown, Dad. Okay.
See the kids, ano? Finish.
Ayan pa yung ibang deer, oh.
Oo nga. Puntahan ko sila dito.
Okay, let's go. Ang cute naman ito, puting-puti. No? Mukhang malinis pa, bagong ligo ata to eh. Bagong ligo. Hello! Sunod na sunod, gutom pa ata to. Gutom pa ata to. Ayun yung isa sabong ni tatay dun. Oh. Kakaiba naman yung tsura nito. Oh. Tingnan mo yung ulo. Pero manok pa rin siya. Here, andito yung bag. Hello! Yun sila. Galing.